Today I'll be talking about TFT MTK Module Tool. Extract your files first. Extract files here. You check for installer password TFT. You can use this tool to flash. your scatter firmware on MediaTek-powered devices. This TFT MTK tool allows you to reset screen locks, FRP locks, MI accounts, and unlock your bootloader. We have Xiaomi as the first model here. We have Realme, Infinix 2 works perfectly. Oppo, Samsung, Lenovo, Android, Huawei devices too as well. So before that, you need to install your MediaTek drivers, your Qualcomm drivers, Samsung USB drivers, Oppo driver, and ADB drivers for this tool to work. After you are done installing your drivers, you can connect your device and start work. Here we have 4 categories. Here we have the security tab, the services, UNIF, and the backup tab where you can back up your devices. If you are using Samsung or Huawei, you can select your model number here or your phone's version here. Same thing goes to Samsung devices as well. You can check your devices here. So this is where you can see your model numbers.